everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a weekend review of the first week of November. It's actually not the first week of November more than it is the last 3 days of October and the first 3 days of November. So I shared with you my monthly budget where I was allocating for $4,215.18. I have since gone ahead and paid some bills. It's November the 3rd, 2018. And so this is the end of the 5th week of October. Starting on Monday, November the 5th, that will be the first official week of November. So I wanted to bring you anything that I was going to be or have already done as far as paying bills and the budget. So my payroll was $4,215.18. I was gifted $100. That was for groceries or whatever the kids needed by my daughter. She sent that to me, very unexpected. I didn't even expect that at all. She messaged me the other day and she says, "Mom, I put some money on your card." She had a card created for me because Acro was going to come and stay with us, but she actually found a family that lives in her town that will keep him during the week while she's working, and then she can still have ready access. We live about 3.5 hours away from where she does, so it would have been harder for her to see him except for holidays and summertime. So she had already set up that account. Instead of her closing it, she just said, "Hey Mom, I'm going to put money on there for you and the kids for groceries until you get everything squared away with the child support." So that worked out really good. I went ahead and put that in. And then this morning, I actually got a kid's deposit. And that deposit was for $432.92. I believe that's the right number, and I'll update it if it's not. So I knew that I was going to be getting one last final deposit from a payroll check. Anything else is not coming through payroll. So that was the one deposit I knew that was going to be coming. So with that being said, let me share with you what I have paid as far as bills. So I've not allocated any of this money just yet because it just came this morning, but I have already paid the majority of my bills here. So let me share with you what I have paid as far as the last 3 days of October and the first 3 days of November. So on Thursday, I went ahead and paid my mortgage at $909.95, my electric at $105.15, and my water bill at $43.09. Those I paid online. My internet this month was $78.94. I had only allocated in $69.99 for that, and so it was a little bit higher than what I had initially planned on. My homeowners association, which finishes out all of my dues for the year, is $135. I did write a check for that. So as far as living and housing expenses, so far I have paid $1,272.52. Then as far as my regular payments are concerned, I have paid in $50 for CCRDU, and then I have paid the kids Taekwondo at $325. So for regular payments, $375 has gone out. For groceries, I went ahead and did the $300, which was $200 I allocated for out of my main budget, and then Shamika sent the $100, so that was $300. Pull that out for cash. Then as far as my doctor's bill, I went to the doctor the other day, and I just went ahead and paid my $100 payment. Then for my miscellaneous YouTube expenses to get my 8 terabyte hard drive, I paid out $169.05 for the 8 terabyte hard drive that I got from Amazon. And then I pulled out $60 in cash for ma'am for her food and her bath. And that put me for personal expenses right at $329.05. I haven't gotten any gas or anything like that. I will get gas tomorrow, which will go under week 1 expenses. For tithe, I have already paid $680, which was just my plain paycheck. That came out of my regular paycheck. And then I paid to Damon Thompson Ministries. I went ahead and did a PayPal for $30. I moved in $700 for Christmas into my savings account, and then I did the gift for my friend. I went ahead and paid in that, sent $50 in a card to a friend of mine. So the payment came in today. I will be doing $50 on tithe for that. And that is going to bring me back to a few other things that I need to go ahead and pay. I'm going to do, for my medical bill, I'm going to do $200 on the medical bill. I haven't done it yet, so I'm probably going to wait and put it in until next week. But I will go ahead and do the tithe today because I can just do that via PayPal. But I'm going to do $200 to the medical bill, and it's going to leave me about $100 and some left. I still have to get Alana her things that she needs, so I'm going to be taking her over. We decided to just go tomorrow because today is Saturday and we didn't want to have to go out of the house at all, although I did have to go to Walmart. So I'm going to be updating that spreadsheet tomorrow, starting for week number 2. So right now at this point, I have a total income of $4,748.10. Remember, I'm still waiting on 2 reimbursement checks from travel, and so far I have spent $3,786.57, which leaves me a total left to allocate $961.53, but I have not taken out any of my gas. I have not taken out my student loan, Amazon Prime, PureFlix, Healthways. None of that has come out yet. My telephone bill has not come out yet. And then I'm going to be doubling up on my medical bill. So that's going to change to $300, and then all of those other bills will come out as well. So that is how we did so far for week number 1. We had $4,700 odd. We have already spent $3,700, and we have just a little bit less than $1,000, but all of that is allocated for in the above bills that's still yet to be paid. And then I'm going to take Alana over and get her a few things. Jackson had a jacket and the seam has ripped out, but thankfully he had a second jacket, so we don't have to get that for him. I do think he may need 1 or 2 pieces, and so I'll be looking when I go and get her things to see what he needs. He does need a haircut, so I'm going to allocate for a haircut. And then I may allocate for Alana to get her hair washed again. Not real sure, but this is where we are so far up to the very first 3 days of November. So anyway, I will be back on next Saturday to update you with week number 1, the full week of November. So anyway, we hope that was helpful. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe. We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next video. Bye now.